It is important to do your work, but it is just as important to check your work.
That's right. So in order to correct your math work, we've come up with an easy way to get started.
One way you can correct on your iPad is using split screen.
To use a split screen on your iPad, you first need to open the prior day's assignment.
Then at the top of the screen, you will tap the three dots and select a multitasking screen.
Once you've done this, you will select Canvas and open up the lesson number with correct next to it.
And now you're ready to correct.
As you watch the video, put a red star next to the ones you got correct.
If you missed the problem, that's okay. Write the correct answer in red and circle the number of the problem.
Do this on each of the problems and then submit the corrected problems the same way you submitted the assignment.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get started.
All right, let's watch and see how my buddy Robert, and I can't zoom, how great is that? How my buddy Robert solves these, and make sure you're following along. Remember to write the correct answer if you get it wrong, and remember to put a star in a circle depending on whether or not you got it right or wrong. All right, so we have Mr. Martinez had a steak for $24 and a drink for $3. He paid with $50. How much change will he receive? Well, the first thing we need to know, and this is a two-step problem, is we need to know how much he spent. So we've got the 24 and we've got the $3. Now I know you're pretty smart, so the cost was $27. All right, so now we know he paid with a 50 and it was $27. I'm going to take that over to there. Well, 50 minus 27. Well, I know minus 25 would be 25, and 2 more would put us at 23. So 23 cents and change. Okay, moving on to the next one. Number 2. Oh, come on. Brittany bought 24 cupcakes. She made another 24 at home. She placed them equally into 6 boxes to give to friends. How many cupcakes are in each box? All right, so 2-part. We know first we need to find out. We know that there are 24 cupcakes, and then she made another 24. So if I add those together, I know that equals 48. So 48 cupcakes. All right, so now we're going to take that 48, and we know now that she took those 48 cupcakes and she put them into 6 boxes. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so if we take those, we need to figure out now what 48 divided by 6 is, or something times 6 equals 48. Well, I know that 6 times 8 is 48. So there's 8 in each box. Remember to put a star if you got it correct. Put a circle if you missed it. Let's go on to the next page. If we can scroll. There we go. There we go. Okay. At the water park, there are 6 slides. 6 water slides, 1 wave pool, and 2 sections of the park with 7 rides each. How many attractions are at the park? Well, the first thing I need to do, let me draw my squares here. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how many rides. Well, we know there's 7 at the 1 because we have the 6 plus the 1. And then 2 sections of the park with 7 rides each. So that's actually going to be 2 sections of the park with 7 rides each. So that's 7 as well. So 7, 7. We actually got 3 7s. Okay, so that means there are... Oh, we can add those up together. Hang on. If we do it in 2 parts, we know that we added those 2 and then 1 section. So that's 14. Well, we would add that 14 with the other 2, and that would be 21. So 21 rights. Last one. Samantha has 286 stickers. Mandy had 28 more than Samantha. How many stickers do Samantha and Mandy have together? Well, first, we need to solve how many Mandy has. So, we know that Samantha has 286, and Mandy is adding 28 more. If we add those, I should come up with 314. Now, what I need to do, I know that one has 314, and the other one still has that 286, so I'm going to bring that over as well. If I add those together, I get 600. Remember to circle or star if you got it correct, and to submit. Have a great rest of your day.